The third part of our lab asks us to measure length, and how does length affect the period of a pendulum. So we're going to call this length the long length, and we're going to keep the amplitude of swing the same and the mass the same. So we'll pull this out about 15 to 20 degrees, and we'll time 5 cycles. Next, I'm going to shorten this to the medium length. Same amplitude of swing, about 15 to 20 degrees, and full mass. Here we go. And finally, I'm going to put this to the short length. Same mass, same amplitude, and we'll let you time this. 5 cycles. So you can use your stopwatch in these videos to determine what the time or period is for each one of these measurements.